What do you foresee for the country now Raila is gone?
Now that we don't have a handbrake, the handbrake has gone, there is a possibility of an accident should the brakes fail. And because there is a highly possibility of brakes failing, there will be an accident. The vehicle will roll. Yes, the vehicle will roll.
The driver is the president.
Yes.
Don't you think he has the ability to handle?
He's driving a car that doesn't have brakes. He does drive a car that doesn't have brakes. So whatever that can happen now, we only need God. I'm not a prophet of doom that bad things will happen. But remember there at Uhuru Park, I told you there's gonna be a breaking news. Even in this case, there's gonna be a breaking news, not very far.
Okay, of another passing?
No, of an eventuality from God.
Which one? Why are you not?
Eventuality, I'm telling you, eventuality is that the things that will unfold one after the other one that unfolded during the days of Nebuchadnezzar when he was told, Mene, Mene, Tekel. To me, at the gate of State House, I'm seeing Mene, Mene, Tekel.
Mene, Mene, Tekel of our sin. Your kingdom has been divided.
Yes.
Ruto's kingdom is divided.
Ruto's kingdom is divided completely.
And does he stand a chance to bring it back?
For now, it is too late for him because he's continuously making new mistakes. When you try to gag people not to speak, is the greatest mistake you can ever make.
So you feel that
he has people that are deliberately organizing for his failure. People around him who are deliberately organizing for his failures. Whatever he does, whatever he's doing, like now when he's continuously saying that he has spoken to Uhuru, that is a mistake. I spoke to Raila, who was there. that we did this. Now he has become, you stoop too low, you start answering questions that have not been answered, questions that have not been asked for you. Nobody asked him to explain how Raila went to hospital, how Winnie called him, No, these are the small blunders that are. Remember also we have this circulating video. Ati huyu mzee nitampeleka Bondo na hata jua venye anaenda. Hiyo ndio kazi nimebakisha. Internet will never lie. Internet will always be there. Have you seen it?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Yes. Those are the things that will be used against him. And because he is the sitting president, it is easy to mudsling a person in power than a person who is not in power. You'll be hard. So what you see now, the interrogation, what is happening now from tomorrow going on, you're going to interrogate. How did Raila die?